Ngabiagbayo. They can end Igbo.
Mmanoma dika.
Mba, keribu neme.
Ife na tata ka na agwa aja na agwa. Na umeze ni na ebe, umarusi ni na ebe. So anyị na aja ma anyị. Na aro na emela anyị ife. Aro ya warusela ya olela ya zu oke. Onye nwere nwa. Onye ya na aga n'iru, gawa n'iru. Aro abigbo, aro ụkọchukwu uchechukwu aje. Bu nyaro. Nya na-emela anyị ife niile ya ka anyị ka aje ma ali atanta.
Ngadalụ.
Mba Mmanoma amadike.
Mmanoma amadike. Mba mela anyị nyozo, mela anyị nyozo.
Aro mo wonye koto bulu. Uche mo wonye koto bulu. Mo wonye koto dokweme. Mo wonye koto bulu ke. Mo wonye koto dokweme. Mo wonye koto bulu ke. Mo wonye koto dokweme. Wonye chole bike na ba. Wonye chole bike na ba. Wonye chole bike na ba kasi. Wonye chole bike na ba. Mo wonye koto bulu. Mo wonye koto dokweme. Nanu na mana de sokwo. Nanu na mana de sokwo ro mana mi so ni abalagun na wa. Aro so ni abalagun wa. Mata je so ni abalagun na wa. Atabuwa so ni abalagun na wa. Oda na ka so ni abalagun na wa. Aya bulu go ya hule anu yo. Aya bulu ji ya hule anu she. Ya hule na de fuche pada. Hule na de fuche pada. Hule na de Onjanjala uche chukwe. Onjanjala uche nwa odogu. Onjanjala uche chukwe. Onjanjala uche nwa. Uche simoga batunegu onjanjala. Aro simoga badana onjanjala. Mmele simoga batunegu onjanjala. Onjanjala uche chukwe. Onjanjala uche nwa. Ono yamagu ni yamagu ngabalu galu. Ono yamagu ni yamagu ngabalu galu. Ono uya di mana gai bekasi. Ono uya di mana galu. Kishanya magu ni yamagu ngabalu galu. Asini wakandeno kaburia shimulamu. Asini wakandeno kaburia shimulamu. Ona damanda benu mamuna usia yilio. Damanda benu mamuna usia yilio. Kanyalo zaraka. Uchanyalo makanyalo chaka. Kanyala raka. Kamuni ya yili. Kanyalo zaraka. Kamuni ya yupalu. Akana tinda majinwa. Akana tinda majinwa. Onye di ya liya bata maya neru.
Ego ya kwa number 1. Because chatakwa ndị Igbo abagi ọzọ.
Afọ m bụ Mmanoma amadike.
Mmanoma amadike. Daalụ rinne. Egwu gị amaka nwanne. Ị abịa nwanne na studio anyị ka anyị rekọdụ gị. Ka a na-anụ ya. Chukwu gozie gị. Daalụ rinne. Ebe anyị ka nọ bụ na Obuga Mmanoma. Daalụ. Thank you. Obuga Mmanoma Nneyi Umueri ka anyị nọ. Ebe a na-agụ arọ. Ọgụgụ arọ ndị Igbo taa bụ Saturday 12th of February 2022. It is the beginning of the Igbo. It's the beginning of the Igbo year, starting with the oracle. The oracle will declare the predictions for the year. This second day of the ARO festival. The program continues tomorrow. These are the priestesses of the various deities and shrines of the land. They are devotees of the ARO oracle. Ndi bone click kanebe mba kene ndi Dalurinde darung ba kolin di bawa jeni amala ni ku
aba mu bichu to chuku Ezenwanyi amana ni bo kaina mba ko ga se na ya ko bala ka ndu do ayo goro goge bala le ma na aka buloto anya ka na buloto na ga belu aro ba ila na wo aro sinaro be aro bala ba mali ba na man chukwa tu wala yo sai ga ya bo ma ni ba
mba dalurinde kaina ga ni leader mba kike den di e gba yin mun na me
ai da ni olili Igbo ara ta na jeje abo wo iwe ya be iwe fi ya ja o jalo ta di yo wo ya kada ani ba ti na ya na ki bo ya bia ni gan ni bo ku ya ba ai da di yo olili
Kadende kina ba ye bu ina.
Ndi na bia olu eba.
Okay, ndi na bia ba. E bia olu. Okay. Nga wasi ka ba bia keneta. Mo bo olu wa ka kan. Oli ka bia letan. Dalu. Nga dalu rinne. E gba wa ndi bo aba ji. E gba wa ndi. Amadu wa George. Obusomma. Ode nga na ebe ko ta George. Mama chaputa. Ngba dalu ni. Today is still Saturday, the 12th of February 2022, and we are still at Obuga, Mmanoma, Umueri, Anambra East Local Government Area, Anambra State. The second day of the ARO festival, and we are waiting for the declaration of the oracle. The High Priest, His Majesty Nnazoba Kingsley Uchechukwu, Ajie of Igbo land. He has come back from his visit to the mountain last night, and we are waiting now for his emergence to declare to the Igbo world his predictions for the next 12 calendar months. Remain with us. Remember to like and share our video, and if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, this is a beautiful opportunity for you to do so that you will be able to access other videos from this 4-day program. Today is just the second day, and the program is just beginning. There will be more than 20 videos from today and more than 30 from tomorrow and Monday. So if you would like to be able to see the rest of these videos, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll be able to see them. And if you like what we are doing, our chronicling of Igbo history and culture, rebranding and promoting everything Igbo, telling the Igbo story. Remember, we will appreciate your support in whichever way you're able to give us support, in cash or in kind, by adverse placement, by sponsorship, direct sponsorship, by provision of equipment, in whatever way that you feel you can support the work of recording and preserving and celebrating Igbo history and culture. We will be more than happy to partner with you. So remember to reach us through this channel. You can call direct on the phone line 090-6454-3161. You'll be able to reach us at the Center for Research in Igbo History and Culture, and we'll discuss how you can partner with us. Thank you. God bless you. See you next video.